Hey guys, today we're going to be making an unboxing of AliExpress items, and I went there and I picked 3 very interesting items for today's unboxing. And before we start doing this, I just want to mention that the biggest sale, the 11.11 of AliExpress, and after that Black Friday are coming. So you can get these items and many more on super discounted prices. And I've been actually using AliExpress for as long as I can remember, at least when I was since I was 13 or 14 years old. And I probably have around like 200 orders only from AliExpress. And if you'd like to purchase any of these items, I will leave some discount codes and also links down in the description, and also as a pinned comment down below. I was actually super excited, so I already kind of opened this one, and this is actually a Magcubic projector. This is a HD projector, never mind that it says Ultra HD. This is an HD projector, and this is a super interesting item in my opinion. Now, I never had a projector of my own. I think I bought one like probably 2 years ago, but I ended up never using it. So I wanted to buy an actually nice projector. This was around $45, and basically what we have here is it's a replica of the Samsung Freestyle. Now, Samsung Freestyle is a more expensive projector, of course, but this is a replica of this projector, and we're gonna see how much value we can get out of this one. Again, I'm gonna make a dedicated reviewing this item, but for now we're just gonna unbox and take a quick look at it. I've never seen anything like that. Like, this is super interesting. And there is another smaller box right here, and you have yourself a remote, which funnily enough, like, it definitely looks a lot like the remote that I'm using for the lights behind you and for these RGB lights behind me as well. So yeah, there you have a remote, and you have a power adapter, of course. Now, basically that's it. There's a bit of an instruction manual, but yeah, who is this? Anyway, let's see the projector itself. This is some nice quality I'm seeing here. Like, it's not one of the heaviest projectors, but I can see that the base here has this rubberized finish on the bottom, and you can twist it like that. Probably should be making this sound, I don't know, but it seems sturdy enough, it does not break, and it stays. I can tip it over, but I don't think it's too lightweight. It stays, definitely stays, and you can adjust it as you like. Let's do the nice peeling of the lens here. Oh my god, looks premium. Is it actually premium? I don't know, what do you guys think? Let's see what else do we have here. So at first glance I can see that I can also attach it to a tripod down here, and there is your power button. You have a USB port, you have an HDMI port, so you can hook it up to a laptop or something like that, which is pretty nice. But this one has a built-in Android, so it should work on its own. You don't need an external device. And of course the power port here. Okay, I actually think that they used some nice quality materials here to some extent. Now let's proceed with the other item. Now I think you're gonna find this very interesting, by the way. This, let's see if it's that one. And this is, so this is a nice wireless mouse. And Val, what the fuck did you do? Why did you pick the pink one? Well, actually I picked that for my girlfriend because she actually needs a new mouse and it fits her style. So I was browsing through many mice and I was like, yeah, this one looks great, at least from the pictures. Let's see how is it in real life. This is the Dareu. Dareu is a Chinese brand for mice, and it has some nice reviews, so I guess that they are a nice brand for mice. And this is the EM901X model. Not that I know any other models, but let's see what's inside of the box here. So I'll put that aside. So what is good about this mouse, guys, is actually that it has a stand. I usually see these stands on some Razer mice and stuff like that, but not on you know, a mice that cost barely $25. And this mouse costs $25, and for it you're getting a nice stand. So I think that there is an LED strip here. It's RGB. Yeah, it literally says here RGB. So yeah, this is an RGB stand for your mouse, and this is the mouse itself. It looks kind of nice. I'm really digging this design, and it is lightweight. It's not one of the heaviest mice. The buttons, they seem very nice when I'm clicking them, and the scroll wheel is good. The adapter for it is basically right here. I guess you can just take that out and plug that mouse inside. There is your on and off switch. Now actually this is a switch to use the 2.4 GHz adapter or to just use cable, from what I can see here. And there is your RGB mode as well to cycle through the different RGB modes. I have no idea how it looks, but I'm gonna make sure to include a little segment here in this video to show you how it actually looks while it's connected. And there is the stand. It just attaches magnetically. Holy shit, that's actually super nice. And it does not fall. Both the stand and the mouse have an LED light strip here, so I assume it's gonna look super dope. And let's proceed with the third and final item. And these are some nice wireless headphones. These are the Baseus Bowie D05. I'm finding it hard to remember all these names, but Baseus, you know Baseus, they make cables, they make headphones, they make everything, and they're a pretty popular brand. But I actually was interested in these headphones because they advertise 70 hours of playback time. Now 70 hours is so much. For example, here on my Logitech headphones here, I had them for like 1 year, but they were advertised at 30 hours and now they last around 15. They lost most of their battery life capacity over the years since I'm using them every single day, so it was time for a replacement. And probably this is the replacement, the Baseus Bowie D05. Now let's see what there is inside of this box. Alright. The first thing that we see is stickers. I don't know what you're gonna do with these stickers, but I mean, hey, you have them. And the headphones in themselves come with two cables. Now I assume one of them is for charging and another one is for plugging it directly into your PC. I actually have no idea why there are two cables inside. I guess I gotta test it out and see for myself what these do. And the headphones themselves, I think that they're trying to imitate a little bit of Apple here, the Apple design. Let's put them on. Nice fit. They are indeed super lightweight and they kind of isolate the sound around me. So let's see what else do we have here. Adjustable, yes, they are pretty adjustable. And also there are these leather earmuffs that they feel nice. I mean, probably not the best quality because these are actually around $22–23. So these are the three items. I'm gonna test them in the next like 1 or 2 weeks and tell you what I think about them. I'm gonna make a detailed review about each of them. I'm pretty excited for the projector because I've always wanted to have one. Again, there are the discount links down below with codes so you can go and buy these items. They're affiliate links, so I'm gonna make a little bit of a commission out of them. But that will be all from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week. Bye bye. Wait, now who's gonna clean that mess? Oh man.
If you have ever wanted to create your own website, then FastCommit is the right place for you. They have a hosting plan for any type of website or project, and from the shared hosting plans, which are great for simple blogs and e-commerce sites, to standalone virtual private servers with a lot of resources and dedicated servers with a lot of CPU power. All of the popular platforms like WordPress, OpenCart, Magento, and many others are available with a one-click installation after you sign up. There is also super helpful 24/7 customer and technical support over the live chat and a ticketing department as well. I've been using FastCommit myself for years, so trust me when I say that they're one of the best. Check them out from the link in my description below to support my channel.